Keto avocado brownies. Hey everyone! If you thought going keto meant giving up your favorite treats, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to make keto avocado brownies, rich, fudgy, and packed with healthy fats. You won't believe these are keto-friendly. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need for this amazing recipe. 1 ripe avocado. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but it gives the brownies an incredible creamy texture. 2 large eggs, 1 or 2 cup almond flour, 1 or 4 cup cocoa powder, unsweetened, 1 or 2 cup keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or monk fruit, 1 or 4 cup coconut oil, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 or 2 teaspoon baking powder, and finally, a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors. All right, first things first, we're going to mash up that avocado. You want it nice and smooth so that it mixes into the batter without any chunks. Next, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them together. Then, add in your mashed avocado, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Stir everything together until it's nice and creamy. In a separate bowl, combine your almond flour, cocoa powder, sweetener, baking powder, and salt. Give that a good stir. Now it's time to bring it all together. Pour your dry ingredients into the wet mixture and stir until everything is well combined. You should end up with a thick, chocolatey batter. Grab a baking dish. I'm using an 8x8 pan and line it with parchment paper. Pour in your brownie batter and spread it evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 20-25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. The smell of chocolate filling your kitchen? You know it's going to be good. Let them cool for a few minutes, then slice them up. Look at that texture, rich, fudgy, and completely keto. These brownies are perfect for when you need a sweet treat, but want to stay on track with your keto goals. And the best part? They're loaded with healthy fats thanks to that sneaky avocado.